This is continuation of your Civics chapter number 2, fundamental duties. Now we read about fundamental rights of a citizen. We read about the problems of child labor. Now fundamental duties. This was added to our Indian Constitution in 1976, and that was the right and duties, both essential for smooth functioning of a country, of a society. So we read about fundamental rights, then now we will read about fundamental duties. Every citizen, we are enjoying our fundamental rights, so we'll have to perform the duties also. Now first point, whatever is written by the Constitution, so we'll have to respect that ideal and institution. We'll have to respect the national flag. We'll have to respect national anthem. Now, second point, value and preserve the rich heritage of our culture. Whatever culture we had, we'll have to preserve that. Third point, we'll have to cherish and follow noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Now next, to protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity, we'll have to protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Next point, to defend the country and render national service when it is needed. Now to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood, the fraternity amongst all the people of India, whatever religion, linguistic or regional or sectional diversity they have, we are all same, we are all equal, it is a secular country. Now next point, we renounce practices, that means we will never practice any bad remarks, low graded remarks to the dignity of women. Now to protect and improve the natural environment, including forest, lake, rivers, wildlife, we'll have to have compassion for all living creatures. Now next point, to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Now next, public property, we'll have to save from any violence. Now to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the nation constantly rises in higher level and we can achieve our goal. Our country should be the best. So this is as a whole the second chapter. You must read the chapter properly and try to learn each line. Now all the rights you will have to know in details. Now you should read the fundamental duties and any year or any amendment number it is given, you will have to read it properly. You should understand the meaning of democratic, secular, socialist and sovereignty. Everything is explained. What do you mean by federalism? This all you will have to know. What is the meaning of republic? You will have to know. And all the rights, and under right to freedom there are so many points you will have to learn, and under the right against exploitation so many points, cultural and educational rights so many points. Everything you will have to learn properly. And then when after you are going through all that, you write the glossary, all the meaning of the words. Amendment means a minor change or addition designed to improve or change an existing law or legal right. One law is existing, it is not, if it is not suitable, anytime it can be changed. Now untouchability, an ancient practice in India when people from upper class of the society did not feel it right to be touched by the people of lower section of the society. Previous days, ancient days, it was prevailed, but it is not that much at the moment. human trafficking, buying and selling of human beings like commodities, and beggary means forced labor without any remuneration. Remuneration means any price. You must write in your copy all the 1-mark questions, that is answers the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. You must write those question answers. When I have checked your copies, I have seen these questions you did not write. So this chapter you write, match the following you write. Then of course in 50 and 70 words and 80 and 100 words. So only this much today. You learn the chapter properly. Next class I'll give you the questions. Thank you.